Hi everyone, we are going to go over this week's agenda as well as our objectives or our goals for this week. So first off, we're going to start with our goals, what we're going to be learning. So number one, you guys are going to be able to navigate your digital Spanish classroom. Everything for the class this year will be 100% online. There will be no papers whatsoever. Therefore, I want to show you guys where I will have everything set up in your Google Classroom so you guys know where to look when you're in need of something. You guys are also going to be able to apply your knowledge on how to use different technologies, so I'm going to show you which technologies we will be utilizing in class, and I will give you an instructional video as well as have you guys practice with that technology so that whether you're working in class or remote at home, you know how to use them. And lastly, we are going to start our ABCs in Spanish, so you guys will learn the ABCs and you will be able to say them yourself. Now for our weekly agenda. This first week is going to look different than the others just due to how the scheduling is set up. So on Monday we are off because it is Labor Day, so we don't have any school. Tuesday is the first day of class, so what we're going to do on Tuesday is to get to know your peers as well as get to know myself. You guys are also going to learn why studying Spanish is so important and being able to speak the language as well as learn about the culture. On Wednesday, we're going to go over the different rules of the classroom as well as of the school, and we are going to review your syllabus so you guys will see what the expectations are of you this year, how I will be grading, and other online resources. Lastly, we'll be learning about the different technologies that we will be utilizing in class. On Thursday, we are going to learn your ABCs in Spanish, and we are going to practice pronunciation. Friday, we're going to continue on with the ABCs in Spanish. We are going to start your rough draft for your digital alphabet book, and we are going to just practice the ABCs more. Your homework over the weekend is to study the ABCs. So I want you guys to be able to say the ABCs on your own in Spanish. On Monday and Tuesday, we are going to wrap up the ABCs, so you are going to start your project on Friday. We are going to finish it on Monday, and then by Tuesday when you come into class, everything will be due, and then we are going to move on to numbers. So basically this week it's going to be getting to know the classroom, getting to know your peers, the different rules that we have, the different technologies we will be using, as well as starting off learning your first thing in Spanish, which will be the ABCs. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, please send me an email. This can be whether you're watching the video at home or if you have a question on anything, you can send me an email. So any questions you may have, please feel free to reach out. I will get back to you probably by the end of that day, if not by the next day, so that I can clarify whatever you may need. I just want to remind you that you guys should be using your Rover Kids account when you email your teachers, and you should be using appropriate language as well. You are speaking to adults, so please make sure that you're writing out all your words and using appropriate language. So again, that's our agenda for this week. Any questions, shoot me an email.